Venture Brothers seasons 3 and 4. I might just do this from now on. I might just review 2 seasons in one go. I may or may not. I haven't decided yet, but I finished season 3 and 4 relatively quickly, next to each other, just because I don't know. I just did. I forget the reason why exactly, but I enjoyed these seasons a lot more. And what I will say, I really started to enjoy these seasons a lot more, because the first 2 seasons are really rough around the edges. Now we're like what I liked about season 4 is we're starting to see other sides to our characters, a little bit more backstory to these characters, which I kind of like and appreciate. Also, the animation is really pretty. Like before in the earlier seasons, it wasn't bad, but it was also kind of rough around the edges. And I said that about season 1. And I kind of mentioned that season 2 improved upon it. But by season 4, this show looks pretty. Like I actually grow to appreciate the character designs and how things look. It actually looks good, which I appreciate a lot. Um, and it also allows the animation to be more dynamic when we start doing more action scenes, which there's a lot more action in this show, especially in this season. There's a lot more. There's a lot less humor. Not to say there's no humor. There's definitely some great jokes, but there's a lot more action scenes and things like that are really dynamic. There's a lot more superhero related action too, which allows us to feel like its own kind of breed of like superhero action show with a very unique sense and style to it. Yeah, I just thought this was a really awesome season with all that stuff put in there, and made me actually excited to watch more. Unfortunately, season 4 didn't have a lot of Brock though, for plot reasons, but and that definitely hurt because he's my favorite character in the show. I love Patrick Warburton, but it's still good, and it's still 100% worth your time if you haven't seen this show. Which again, I'm watching this show for the first time. I thought this was great.